Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the COSTWAY Twin Tub. In this video, we'll explore their features, capacities, and overall usability to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. The WonderWash operates manually, making it eco-friendly and perfect for those who want to save on electricity. In contrast, the COSTWAY Twin Tub is electric, providing convenience with its automated features. However, it requires a power source, which may not be ideal for everyone. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the COSTWAY Twin Tub boasts an impressive capacity of 26 pounds, allowing you to wash larger loads in one go, which is a significant advantage for families or those with more laundry. The WonderWash is designed with simplicity in mind, featuring basic functionality without a spin cycle. In contrast, the COSTWAY Twin Tub includes advanced features such as separate wash and spin cycles, timer knobs, and a built-in drain pump, making it a more versatile option for users. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and COSTWAY Twin Tub have their unique advantages. The WonderWash is perfect for those seeking a compact and manual option, while the COSTWAY offers convenience and larger capacity for more extensive laundry needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.